Welcome to the House on the Hill Property Renovation Makeover Spain. Here's a glance of how the property was when I first purchased it. And be prepared, it gets worse before it gets better. If it's your first time watching, remember to watch from video 1 from the playlist and remember to subscribe. Happy Sunday everyone, or whatever day it might be for you. It is the day of the Cup Final, Spain versus Argentina. Oh my God, Spain, please win, please win. So what's going on today? A visit to the Scrapyard, a visit to the Pottery shop, and a little bit of sewing. I've spotted this item at the Scrapyard. I've seen a lot of them used as tables. It's something to do with olive farming, I think. So I have my eye on that at €100. Some very interesting things. Look at these metal ladders here. They're quite impressive. I wonder what they could be used for. These are kind of wooden picnic baskets for jamón and cutlery. I've bought 2 of them. Wait to see what I use them for. Cushion making. I've decided to make my own cushion covers. So what I've done is, if there's any seamstresses in here, like I'm sure you can tell me there's an easier way to do this. I've cut out a square and then an oblong, and then cut that oblong in half because I'm going to do an overlap. So eventually that will be a square. So eventually that oblong will be a square because it's going to be overlapped. Yeah, and I'm just now making the frills to go around the edge. For the frills, I've cut out 4 strips and I'm sewing them all together. Oops, oh, that's not them, that's them, yeah. So I'm sewing them together. I'm just going to overlock those seams and then gather them a little bit. So this is the current seam. I've now folded over the strip. So I've doubled it and I'm stitching it together before I then gather it and then feed it into the 2 sides of the cushion. I'm actually sewing it to the front side of the cushion, so the perfect square. Now we have the square made of the 2 pieces that I've overlapped. Now I'll put the frill on, which isn't gathered very well in some places, but you won't see that once the cushion's in. And then I need to sew this to this, but tuck the frill on the inside, then sew it together. Ta-da! Voila! The cushions are made. What do you think of those? Look at them. They look nice, don't they? They're not too bad. So we've got the cushions decorating the bed now. I will add a couple more. I want probably 5. I like odd numbers. And look at these that I've bought for bedside tables. They still need a good base, some legs. But let me explain. I got these suitcases from the Scrapyard. So the man in the Scrapyard is quite familiar with me now. So he's like, Leslie, look, I've got something to show you. So he has about 200 of these actually. And I bought 2 of them. And they need a stand yet. So at the minute I've just stood them on whatever is available. Some steps, and the other one I've stood on a table base, which is far too high, but a table base that I already had. Now if I had 2 of those, I would probably lower it, cut the legs off at the bottom and use that. But I like them, they're a bit different. I don't know whether they'll be forever. My first thought was to have more natural wood, but for now, they're fine, and then I can find another use for them maybe in the future. And still need a headboard, of course. Yep. But I'm in no rush for that. Now using AI to my advantage to see what I can do with my driveway. Once I find a suitable candidate to actually do it, because the builders are all so busy in Spain at the minute. It's a nightmare, actually. So these are the options. Don't you just love that? It looks so nice. I like the brick. The chairs are AI too, but I do have some very similar stored. I'm still waiting to get this rustic shelf around the edge of the kitchen, some more rustic items, just to let you know. I've just been to the bar and my friend Pepe has given me this to wear tonight for the football. Because of course I will now be supporting España. I visited this pottery shop and saw some items that would be great to rustify my kitchen. Rustify? Is that even a word? This is what I've been doing this morning in my dressing gown, so I didn't film it. I've been sanding this chair. I think I'm going to paint it black and put a plant pot in the seat and sit it in that corner. So watch out for the refurbished chair next week, or maybe the week after, hopefully next week. I had to take the music off this, but this is what happened when we were watching the football on Wednesday. Even though England lost, we still celebrated doing Sevillanas Dancing in the square. Music licensing issues have meant that I can't add the music to it, unfortunately. So please subscribe if you would like to see more progression on the house on the hill and that refurbished chair.